If you are tired of juggling 3 different tools just to get a salon quality blowout at home, you know how frustrating it is when the multi-styler attachments feel cheap or they lack the motor power to dry and style your thick hair quickly. This was gifted to me from the brand. This is Glow Curl X 8-in-1 Air Styling Set. And we're going to skip the long intro and we're going to dive into the top 3 questions most people are asking about this multi-attachment hot air styler. So the first big question is, how does the auto hair wrap feature curl your hair, and is it easy? So it uses 1.25 curling barrels and it's powered by an airflow, which automatically attracts and wraps your hair around the barrel using air instead of extreme heat. For the best results, you start with hair that's about 80% dry and just work in small sections. And I love this because it's able to last all day without any heat damage to your hair. Now, the second question that is asked is, how about the motor in the dryer? Is it going to dry your hair quickly? Is it going to give you lots of frizz? So this has a 110,000 RPM brushless motor, which delivers up to 22 meters per second of airflow. And so it also has an Ionic airflow technology, which cuts the drying time significantly, smoothing the flyaways, leaving shiny salon finish. It includes adjustable heat and speed settings and an ergonomic lightweight body, which is equipped with an ALC1 safety plug. Now, the third major question is, what comes in the kit and how easy is it all to use? So let's go through the exact kit and know exactly what you're going to get. Now, the third question is, what attachments come in the kit, and is it easy to swap them in and out for this 8-piece set? So again, it comes with the right and the left auto wrap curlers. It comes with a diffuser. And let's go ahead and just show you how easy it is to attach. So you have the back here, and then you have the attachment here. And so this one just lines up. It's so easy. Watch this. Look at that. Perfect. It just is like a magnet. It just sticks right on for you to be able to use and diffuse your hair. It also, which again, it comes with a smooth paddle brush. And so on the back, you're going to hold this down until you get it to lock into place. And then you just let go and then it's locked into place. So your smooth paddle brush. And I love that it clicks into place and it's not wobbly. It's nice and firm and secure. It comes with a round brush right here, and then also a volumizing brush as well, which is a little bit bigger to get that volume to the roots right there, nice and secure. You've also got your glove, and then you've got 2 pins to be able to hold back your hair, to be able to work in sections. And then most important, you have your instruction manual, which is going to lay out everything for you so you exactly know what steps to take and how to keep yourself safe. This 8-in-1 air styler just takes out all of the hassle of morning hair prep by combining high-speed drying, automated curling, and just a complete set of styling attachments, all in just one tool set. When you are ready to achieve smooth lengths, lifted roots, and bouncy curls at home, this all-in-one styler is such a must-have. Grab your kit today and just help elevate your styling routine today.